I think we have started conditions, right? Not conditions. Yeah. Conditions in conditions we have if, else, and elif. Okay. If statement is written by using an if keyword. Let's see what is the challenge. Let's take table and assign some value to it. If x is greater than 100, print uh, some here wrong. Okay, wrong else. Yeah. Uh, is this uh, uh, is this correct or wrong? Yeah, I got. If it is right, then I will get this message. Okay, this if this is right, then it will go to the statement. It will go inside this if condition, and it will execute this statement. Whatever the code which is inside if condition, it will be executed only when this condition gets right. Then only it will enter into this condition. If not, it will go to another block that is nothing but else. Print I got right answer. If I change this operator, let's see the output. I got wrong. Okay. Here, here it will check the condition here itself. Then only it will enter. If it is true, then it will enter into this condition. If not, it will go to the next else block. Okay. It will not check if it is right also. Okay, if it is right, then only it will enter. If it is wrong, it will not enter. That means here unnecessary checks won't happen in this block. Okay, if it is wrong. Okay, let's try with another example. I'll take x equal to 10, y equal to 10, y equal to 10. If x greater than 100, x greater than y, print some output here. This is if and if block. If block. Not this is else block. Okay, I'll try to execute this. I got this is else block, but I want to know that if it is greater than y, it should be in if block, if it is less than y, it should be I should have another condition. If you want another condition, if you want to add another condition, for example, if you take grades of a class from 80 to 90, you will have A grade. From 70 to 80, you will have B grade, like that. Based on percentage, you will have grades. But there will be, I think almost you will have 5 types of grades. For 5 types of grades, you can't use only 2 blocks. You should have 5 blocks. So if you want to add another block, you should add in between if and else. That's nothing but elif. Here you have to give some condition. X less than y, print this is yeah. I got okay. This is else block. Here let's see the output. Yeah. Here it has checked x is greater than y or not. If it is greater than y, then it will enter into this block. It is not right, so it went to elif block. It has checked some conditions here. Here also the condition got false here. That's why it has not entered into elif block. Whatever the remaining things you have in your conditions, it will completely goes to else block. There is no need to give any conditions here. Okay, you should not give any conditions here. Simply you have to give else and print the statements whatever you need. For example, else it is not a valid grade or it is not a valid pattern, like that you can give in the else block. Okay, for example, I give equal to, what will happen here? I have given x equal to y. Is this condition, whatever the condition I have written here, it is right or wrong? Just tell me that.
Wrong.
Why?
Because it must be double equal sign. Like you must
What
put
is the difference between equal and double equal?
double equal.
Double equal will compare the values. It will compare value of x and y. Equal will assign y value to x. Okay. This is comparison operator and this is assignment operator. Okay. Don't get confused between equal and double equal. Okay. Let's see the output. Yeah. If you see the output, you will have like this. This is elif block. Okay. Yeah. Like this, you have different types of blocks. For example, I'll give, it says 100, run this, and here only the condition has checked here, and I got this is if block. If you have another condition, like for example, I'll take another if condition here. If x less than y, print another if condition. Let's see the output. If you observe, you got 2 outputs here, because first of all it will go here and it will check whether it is true or false, and it will go to else block or else elif block. If whatever the block is there after this if, means you will have a combination of if, elif, else, or else if, else. Okay, that's it. If you use 2 if conditions like this, it will become, this is a different block and this is a different condition. Okay, this is a different, this is one validation and this is another type of validation. Okay, don't use 2 if conditions for single validation. Okay, just I am validating between x and y, So I have used this block. I have used only single if, elif, and else. Okay. If you use two if conditions or two else condition, it will not take. Okay. You will have an error. You will get the wrong output. Okay. Avoid to use two if. Instead of two ifs, you should use ellipse. Okay. How many ellipse you want, you can use here. Okay. For example, I'll use ellipse x greater than y, print this is the ellipse. You can use n number of elif conditions. There is no need of using a single or two ellipse. Okay, but the rule is you have to use only one if condition and one else condition. In between them, how many different types of conditions you want, you can use by using this elif keyword. Okay. Now I'll run this. You will have only single output, and this condition has been checked. Okay. If the condition checked here itself will not go to another condition. Okay. If not, it will go. If you use two if conditions, it will check here, and it will come to another block. Okay. This is about if and elif. Let's do some examples here. About that, I'll explain you nested if else conditions also. Uh, I'll go with before nested if. Let's do some basic examples in if else conditions. Okay. I'll give some output text equal to int of input enter y equal to after this if conditional statements. I'll share you one. I'll share you some questions. Please try to solve them and send me the Python files, or else you can share your screen and you can show me the outputs. Okay. I'll share you the exercise questions. If x plus y equal to or else I'll give two inputs, two numbers. If by adding those two numbers, if you get, I will check whether it is even or odd. Okay. What I have to do, I have to add these two numbers, z equal to x plus y. How can you say that this is even and this is odd? How can you say that? How can you say that, please? Whatever the thing running in your mind, please keep it out. Okay. How can you say whether a number is even or odd? How can you say that it is even and it is odd? How can you say that?
Is it if they are like multiples of 2? If they're multiples of 2, then they're even.
These multiple, okay, you were saying that, okay, yeah. Shaira said that x modulus, okay, yeah. If a number is divided by 2, if you get the remainder as 0, then you will get, then you can say that it is even number. Okay, whatever you said is right, and also Shaira, you have to say that if the remainder, if it is divided by 2 and if you get the remainder as 0, then you can say that it is even. If not, it is odd. Okay. If if you want to get remainder, you have to use modulus. Already Shaira said that. Let this to equal to 0. Print if else print out. And run this. I'll give two numbers, 5 and 6. I'll get odd. If you want to uh, print the output in more formal way, use this. Let sorry, let space here. Now I'll do my input as 4 and 6. 10 is even number. I got the perfect output and 8 and 7. 15 is odd number. Okay. This is how now if you observe my output is some more beautiful. Okay. It is looking somewhat better now. Now, not only just even and odd, I am also getting the output and I am displaying the output along with the property of that integer. Okay. This is about else, if and else. In the same way, you can also do the positive, negative. If how can you say that a number is positive and negative?
If it contains the minus sign, then it's negative.
Greater than 0, we can say it is positive. If it is less than 0, you can say it is negative. That's it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can put the same condition here. Okay, you can put the same condition here. That's it. And you can also use logical operators here. I'll share you the recording every morning by 10 or 11 a.m. Okay, there's no need to note it down. Just if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. There is no need to note down these programs. Now, yeah, let's see some logical operators. Uh, I'll give a number int of if I want to see whether if I will give an input here. If I give my input as 4 or 6 like that, I should get my output as a positive even number. If not, I should get negative even number. Let's see how can we do this. If x is greater than 0 and x percent modulus 2 equal to 0, print positive num. If x less than 0 and x modulus 2 equal to 0, print what I have to print here. Just tell me what I have to print there. If this condition gets satisfied, what is the output I want to see here?
Negative and even number.
And if we have Also we have positive odd and positive even. And if x greater than 0 and x modulus 2 not equal to 0, print positive positive. Is there any need of keeping some conditions in else block? The remaining one is we got positive even, positive or negative even. The remaining one is negative odd. So there is no need to mention any condition here. Directly you can print the statement. Let's see the output. Parent this. Number. If I give 6, I got positive even number. So give minus 9. Yes. I get negative odd number. Okay. You minus 8. Minus 8. I'll get negative number. Okay. This is how you can include logical operators in if and elif conditions. If you want to mention or, that means any one of the conditions should get satisfied. If you use and, both the conditions should get satisfied, then only you can enter inside this condition. Okay. If not, it will not enter into this condition. It will stop here itself and it will go to the next condition. Okay. Let's do the same program in nested conditions, nested if else conditions. Okay. Same program, same. I should get positive and negative or like this only output. But let's do this in nested. If nested means nothing but one condition in another condition. Okay. If x equal to 2, already I have written one condition that nothing but this is even number. If it is even number, I should enter into the condition, and here I will put another condition. If x greater than 0, print what I can print here. Yeah, according to you, what I can print here. What is the statement I can print here based on if this condition, if both the conditions get satisfied, what I should get the output here.
Even number and positive, even and positive.
You can say positive. Else print positive is common because if it enter into the loop, then you can say 100% the value is positive. Okay. Else block, I don't want to mention uh, any conditions here, because if it is not positive, ultimately it will become a negative. In this else condition, I can use if and else. If x is greater than 0, can say print. Sorry, it is even, right? Negative, sorry. Negative even. Okay. If I do a mistake, please let me know. Okay. Here it became odd first, then it will become positive or positive or else print negative or. Yeah, if this condition gets satisfied, for sure it will be an even number. If it is greater than 0, it will become positive even. If not, else it will go to negative even. In the same way, there is no need to mention another condition for odd number, because if it is not satisfied, for sure it will come to else block. Else block is nothing but odd number. If it is greater than 0, you will get positive. If not, you will get negative. Let's see the output. If we get an error, let's rectify it. Yeah, I'll give some 9 here. I got positive odd, right output. I'll give -8. I got negative one. In this way, you can do nested conditions. Okay, uh, and also you'll have another condition called uh, we have an idea on if block, else block, elif block. If you want to if you want to give an empty block, simply you can use pass is nothing but it returns an empty block. You you will get nothing. Okay, pass is nothing but it is an empty block. Okay, if you don't have anything, you can simply keep pass over there. Next, I think that's all about if and else conditions. Do you have any doubts in these conditions?
No.
This is a very simple topic, but coming to loops, you will get some confusion here how the loop is rotating and all. Let's do some more examples on if and else conditions. Okay, let's take grades only. Let's take grades only. Uh, here here within a class, if the student uh, cross an 80 percentage of marks, then you should print excellent. Okay, if he cross 70, then you should print some good or what. Okay, like that. Let's decrease the percentage 10 by 10, and let's print some statements like excellent, good, average, and need to improve. Okay, so first of all, I have to give this percentage, right? So I have to take it of put here to gifting codes percentage. What I can write here, if I want to print some excellent, if the student cross 80 percentage of marks, what I can write the code here? Tell me that line.
If percentage is more than 80, print
Percentage
excellent.
greater than 80, print x. Okay. I want another kind of what I can write here. If it is above 70, I should get an output as some good. Tell me the condition here.
Elif,
If
yeah.
percentage. Just can you repeat the same message? Yeah. Elif. Yeah, very good. Okay, I think you have an idea on this. You have to check both the conditions. That means here you should use the logical operators, or else you can use percentage. If the percentage is greater than 70 and less than 80, you have to check both the conditions. Okay, the percentage should between 80 and 70, or else you can also use logical operators like uh, and all. Before I have used these are called comparison operators, but I'll show you how using logical operators. And if percentage is greater than 70 and percentage is less than 80, then only you have to print good. If you give uh, if you use only greater than 70, if you give the same line in the first I mean before if condition, I mean if you keep this condition here, then if you give your output, your input as 81, you will get good only, not excellent. Okay, it will check only one condition. Okay, if you give two conditions, it will check between 70 and 80. By using comparison operators, I will show you the other statement. And if percentage is greater than 60 and less than 70, print fail. Else print need to improve. Yeah, let's see the output. If you find any error, let's rectify that. I'll give my percentage as 78. You got good. Has checked this condition and went here. If I give percentage as 50, so you will get to improve. If I give my percentage as 101, then you will get excellent. Okay, because you should get the percentage between 80 to 99 or 100. Okay, if not, you can keep another condition here. If you give the input below 100, then only it should accept these conditions. If not, you will get an you should have an output like enter you should enter between 0 and 100, like that you can print the output. Okay, this is about some if and elif and nested if else conditions. uh, I'll show you small demo on what is a while loop and all. Okay, how while loop works. And this is all about if and else condition. It is very easy topic. I don't want to waste more time on these conditions. Okay, This very basic topic. If we want, we can do some real-time example, but after while conditions, let's do that. I think we can do an example like this. Yeah, we can do an example like some car game. Okay, we can create a car game or else a snake game like that. Let's do it tomorrow. But before that, I will show you what is while loop and all. Or else just give me a second. Just give me a second. I'll be back. Yeah, this I want to show you a car game, but a while has been a while will be included in that. Just I'll show you that one. My requirement is to uh, uh, design a car game. If I click 1, the car should get started. If I press 2, the car should get stopped. If I press 3, I should come out of the game. Okay, the game should be exit. Okay. If I okay, so if I said that my requirement is pressing 1, 2, and 3, so I should have, I should get, it should take an input. Uh, take it, some image equal to of input, enter a number. If ch equal to 1, I said print car should okay, car is started. If ch equal to 2, print car is stopped. Else print end log the game. Okay, let's see the game now. I'm running this. Okay, if I click 1, okay, car is stopped, and I here it got break. If you use an infinite loop, that is nothing but while true. While true is an infinite loop. Uh, I want to say in the next class, but if you want to know this game, you have to use while true. Okay, to get infinite loop. True, while true. Okay, yeah, 1. While true is nothing but there is no need to run the program each and every time. Okay, there is no need to run this program each and every time. Simply, if you click 2, the car is stopped. Again, if you click 1, the car gets started. One, car is started. 2, car is stopped. 3. I got end of the game, but again it is asking enter a number. If you get end of the game, simply break, give a break here. Break is nothing but it breaks the operation and come out of the condition. Okay, come out of the loop. Okay, break is used to come out of the loop. I'll give 1, car is stopped. Very good. 2, car is stopped. and 3. I came out of the loop, and here my program ended here. That means my game has ended. And okay, I'll run once again. 1, 2, 1. Car is started. 1. How many times I can start the car? If once the car gets started, I can't start once again, right? It should give a message like car is already started. Okay. For that, what you have to do means you have to keep your start in false position. False. That means start uh, uh, at the beginning, the car ignition will be off, right? It will not be in the starting position. It will be the engine gets off, right? So the start is wrong. That start we are making, that start is false. Okay, are you getting my point? Or else you can use stop equal to true. The car initially the car should be in stop position, so I am putting my start as false, or else you can use stop equal to true. Whatever you want you can use. Okay, now if I click on one, if start is when start is false, only the car should get started, because it start is false is nothing but it is in stop condition. Okay, it is in stop condition. If start is false means it is not right. Start is not right. That's why we can say that it is in stop position. Okay, when the car should get started, whenever it is in stop position. If if start equal to false, if you have any doubts please ask me. If start equal to false, that means if it is in stop position, I should get car is started, else I should get print car is already started. Okay, car is already started. Here also, if car is in start position only, then you can able to stop the car, right? If start equal to true, start equal to true, then you can stop the car. Again, if you try to click on 2, then you will get print car is ready in some condition. Okay, car is on. Now let's see the output. Now you have so many errors here. Let's find out those errors. Okay, I got the first one as yeah, it is I have done wanted error here. Directly it was telling that maybe you meant double equal to, maybe you are comparing, okay, or not comparing, but instead of you have used assigning. Here I'm not going to assign false to start, just I'm checking the condition whether it is in start position or not, just I'm comparing. Okay, so you have to use double equal. Okay, here also you have to use double equal. Let's see the output. Yeah, here it was asked that some enter a number. I have given 1, car is started. Again it was saying, if you see my program is not running perfectly. Here we have some errors, because if I once again, it should get, it should trigger with an error like, it should print a message like car is already in start position. Okay, car is already started, but here I'm getting car is started. Whenever the car gets started, then start will become true, right? I'm making my start as true. I'm not comparing my start here. Just I'm making my start as true here. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, okay. Uh, got some error. I'll run once. Okay, I got. I'm giving one. Car is started. If I give one again, or else I will give two. Car is stopped. Okay, this is okay. Again, I will give one. Here, if you observe, it was telling that car is already started. Here I have stopped the car, but I am getting car is already started. After stopping the car, I should get car is started. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes.
I will explain you the flow once again. After the program, I will explain you the flow once again. Rerun this program once again. One, car is started. Again, I will give one. Car is already started. Again, I will give one. Car is already started. Car is already started. If I give, car is stopped. If I give two again, I should get car is already stopped here. So I am making my start as false. Okay, start as false. If you observe, here I am comparing my start and true. Here I am assigning false to my start. Okay, don't get confused here. Okay, that's why I picked this program. Now I'll give one. Car is started. Uh, sorry, F A F A L S E. Okay, one car is started. One car is already started. One car is already started. Car is stopped. Yeah, car is already in stop condition. Car is already in stop condition. Just I'm getting after stop condition, the car will get started. If I click on one, car is already started. Once here, if you observe the flow, car is started, car is already started, car is already started. After already started, you will get stopped. Okay. Immediately after getting started, you can stop, or else already started, you can get stopped. Okay. After stop, you will get car is started. You will not get already started, because after stopping position, you will get the car into start position. No, so you will get car is started. If you click again one, you will get car is already started. If you click three, the program will break and you will come out of the loop, and you have to run it once again. Okay, this is how you will get a message like end of the game. Okay, this is how you can create a car game in real time also. For example, if you have some hand mobile, I mean in small mobiles, before Android, you have these type of games in your mobiles. Just they will add an UI to that game. That's it. The program inside behind that will run like this only. For example, you have snake game. Try to create a snake game on your own. Just here I've created start and stop, right? You create turn left, turn right, and like that. You can create turn left and turn right, because in snake game, if you click some side button like that, it will go to right side. If you click left button, it will go to left side, right? The same way, try to create a snake game. Uh, car, snake turn right, snake turn left, snake game. If you have an idea on snake game, you can create a program on your own. If you have any doubts in this program, I'll explain you the flow once again. If you get confused here, start equal to false and comparing start here. If you have any doubts, I will explain you once again, both of you. Don't hesitate to ask doubts here. Okay. Please let me know. Okay, Shaira.
Could
Lakshmi,
you,
what about
yeah, could you explain like once again, like the flow?
yeah? Uh, before when you wake up and you want to drive a car, okay, what will be the car position when you wake up? I mean, when you come down, it will not in the start position, right? It will, the ignition will get off and it will be in parking, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that then start will become false, or else you can use stop equal to true here. No problem, no worries. Try that stop equal to true on your own. If you do you understand this line here? Start equal to false. That means start is a false condition. That means car is in not start position. Okay.
Okay.
If start equal to true means okay, car is started. Okay. Start is a right one. That means a correct answer. But start is a wrong answer here. So I am giving false here. While true is nothing but it is an infinite loop. Okay, it will rotate infinite times until you break the loop. Okay, there is no conditions here. I am not giving any condition to get satisfied in while loop. We can see the loops and all in tomorrow's class. While true is nothing but it is an infinite loop. Here I'll not give any conditions to get satisfied. So it will rotate infinite times. Here I have given uh, an input to give here. So I have written this line. If or else I can give like this. Uh, while true, I can extend my program like this. Print one to start. Print two to start. Print three to sorry stop right. Three to print game. Now see. Yeah, I will get three options here. One to start, two to stop, and three to exit again. If I give one, again I will get one to start, two to stop. Here car is started, and I will give one. Again I will get three options. Whatever the things you have mentioned in this while true, all the things will be printed in infinite loop. Okay. Yeah. If your character, whatever the character you, I mean, also you can take as integer, whatever the integer you have given in your terminal, if it is one, the car, if it is one, and if the car is in false position only, then the car will get started. Okay. If it is started, then what it will become? Start equal to true. That means the car is started. It is right. Okay. So car will become started. I am changing my position from false to true. I am assigning true to start. Here I am comparing. Okay. If my start is in false position or not, I am not, if I use only single equal to, then it will assign false to start, but I don't want to assign here. Just I want to compare here whether my car is in start or stop position. If it is false, I'll get car is started. Then uh, my start will become true. After getting started, my start will become true, right? Else, if you try to give one again, if you try to give one again, you will get this output. Okay, car is already started. Okay. Uh, and if it is 2, only when the car is in start position you can able to stop the car. When it is in stop position you can't stop the car multiple times, right? You can stop a car when it is in stop position. Okay, when for example you will have sitting and standing positions. when you are in sitting position, again when I try to say you sit down, you can't sit multiple times, right? When you are in sitting position, you will be standing position. Okay, you can also do this program also, sitting and standing like that. Okay. Then if the car is in start position only, I can able to stop the car. If this condition gets satisfied, then the start will become false. That means car is stopped here. Car stopped means you will get this condition here. The first condition, whatever the condition which we have used here, you can use here, or else you can use stop equal to true here. Okay, you have to deal with stop here. Wherever you have start, you can use stop over there, and this false will become all the falses will become true, and all the true will become false. That means vice versa. Okay, my start will become false, and if you try to give 2 again, you will get car is already in stop position. Else you can, if you other than 1 and 2, whatever the key you have pressed there, you will get it will break and you will come out of the loop. Okay. Once try to uh, do some different programs. I mean, sitting and standing, snake game like that. Try to do these type of programs on your own. Then you can able to get more clarity on this program. Okay. If you want, you can take a snap, or else I will share the recording by tomorrow 11 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow we can start with go with the loops. Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow while loop, and day after tomorrow for loop, and after that we can start data structures. Okay. I'll take
Yeah.
one day for loops.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all about today's class. If you have any doubts, you can ask me while doing practice. If you got any doubts, please ping me. Okay, on WhatsApp.
For the data structures, will you finish in like 1 day, or will you take 2 lessons for that?
It will take more time because we have to start from basics to some advanced, some examples. Okay, some bakery, some real-time examples like some supermarket like that. Okay, so that you will have more clarity on data structures.
Okay,
I'll take.
because we already finished the strings.
I think it will take more 6 to 7 classes. I think 6 to 7 classes. In 6 to 7 classes, you will have clarity on data structures. We can do some more examples on that data structures if we have time.
Okay.
If you are okay with the different types of examples, we can go with the examples. Okay, some practical examples.
Okay, sure. Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's all about today's class. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Bye, Shara.